Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Alright, in this video I'm gonna be showing you a performance and tutorial for one of the greatest, like it's also any card at any number, and plus it's a it's a prediction also, so that's 2 in 1, and the deck can be shuffled by the spectator themselves. Alright, so yes guys, so it can be shuffled by the spectator themselves. So after the deck has been shuffled by the spectator, the magician, that is me, I will go ahead and choose a prediction and let it stay right there. Alright, now the spectator will choose a number between 20 and 40. Alright, just to make sure that we have enough cards to work with over here. So let's say and it shall be an even number. Okay, forgot to mention, but okay. So that, let's just say they choose 22, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Alright, so let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright, so now we don't need this part anymore. Now they are going to split this deck into 2 piles, alright, alternating obviously. Now they are going to point to any pile they want. Let's just say they point to this pile. Okay, we're going to take a look at the card, and that is their card. Okay, the 5 of hearts. Now they're going to cut any amount of cards and place them on top. Okay, and these cards are going to be placed to the side for now. Alright, that is our secret number, okay, which the magician does not even know, and neither does the spectator know, by the way. So the cards are going to be given a brief shuffle, and just to make this a little bit easier for the magician, I need to know that none of these 2 cards are in your cards. Okay, no, they aren't. Okay, alright, now let's take a look at how many cards are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's count down 5 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now listen, this card could have been any card at all, but it is obviously your 5. Now imagine if the spectator could have cut 1 less card, we would have ended up with the 4 of spades. Alright, or 1 more card, we would have ended up with the 3 of clubs. But no, they cut exactly to the 5 of diamonds. But remember, I had a prediction lying over here the entire time. It's always been the perfect match. Alright guys, here's a tutorial for the perfect match. Alright, okay, so how to do this trick is extremely simple. First you're going to start off like this is the impromptu trick. Alright, so there is no setup in this. The spectator is going to shuffle the deck themselves. You're going to look through the card to find a prediction. You're going to secretly take a look at the top card, which is the 3 of diamonds. So your prediction is going to be the 3 of hearts. Okay, so the corresponding matching card to the top card. So the top card is the 3 of diamonds. Your prediction will be the 3 of hearts. Okay, now I'll leave it face up so you can understand. I'll leave the 3 of hearts also face up. So now what is going to happen, you're going to let them choose a number, even number between 20 and 40. Let's just say 20. Alright, so they're going to deal 20 cards. Okay, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I don't need the rest of the deck actually. And they split the deck into 2 piles. Alright, so that's done in the spectator's hands themselves. Alright, now in our case the 3 of diamonds has ended over here. Now you gotta do what's called a magician's force. If they choose this pile, then you say great, turn over the top card, take a look at it, that's your selection, and your prediction is already set up. Alright, so if they choose this pile, you say okay, turn over the top card, that's your card, and place it back on top. Now if they choose this pile, you say okay, you chose this pile, keep it. Alright, since it's now your pile, we'll take a look at the other pile. Alright, and turn over the top card, show it as the selection. place it face down. I'm just placing it face up for the tutorial purposes, but you can place it face down if you want. Now the spectator is truly going to cut any number of cards and place it on top. Alright, and this is a secret number. It doesn't matter now. Alright, but you're going to follow this procedure now. You process on top and you're going to do a shuffle, what's called this peel top and bottom cards. Alright, off. Alright, and if you are left with 2 cards, just place them on top. Alright, nothing big. Now you're gonna peel off the top and bottom cards, show them that none of these cards are your card. Okay, now if you don't do this step, it's not gonna work. Okay, so just to make this a little bit easier, these are not your cards. Okay, just place them on top. Now you're gonna count these cards, 3, 4, and every time the 4th card is going to be their card. Alright, now depending on how many number there are, and then you can show off the prediction to blow them even more. Alright, so I'm thinking that I've gone this very fast. Okay, so I'll do it once more. Alright, this time face down though. Okay, so the spectator shuffles the deck. Alright, I glanced at the top card, the 4 of spades. Alright, you're gonna take a prediction, which is the 4 of clubs, and you're gonna place it over here. Choose a number, let's say 20. Alright, we don't have to make this video long. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make sure they deal the cards, okay, not spread the cards out like this. Now I've made sure that the 4 of spades ends up on bottom. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, just to not waste any more time. Okay, so 5, 10, 15, 20. So now you're gonna deal into 2 piles. Alright, let's just quickly do that. Alright, you're gonna do a magician's pose. Let's now say they choose this pile. Keep this pile for yourself for now. Alright, we're gonna take a look at the top card, 4 of spades. And if they choose this pile, you just turn over the top card. Alright, and our prediction is already set up. Alright, at this point, turn it back around. You're gonna say cut as many cards as you want and place it on top. Place these cards to a side. Now you're gonna do what's called this shuffle, peel top and bottom cards and just place them. Alright, and you're gonna, even when you're left with one card, just place it on top. Okay, let's just make this a little bit easier and peel off the top and bottom cards, show them that it's not their card, and place them both on top, which adds one more card to your prediction. And now everything is set up as it should be. 5, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4 of spades and then the 4 of clubs. Alright guys, so that was the trick guys, and I really hope you like it. Alright, and it is a worthy trick. Alright, so yes guys, that was it for the trick and the tutorial. So I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.